In this video, I'm going to show you how to create assessments using PlayPosit. The first thing you need to do is navigate to go.playposit.com. And if you have not signed up for an account, you'll need to do that first. If you have, you may go ahead and log in. You'll see it brings you right to the page, My Bulbs. And today we're going to add a new bulb or create a new one. You also have the option on the left here to search for pre-made bulbs that are made by others. And then you have your classes or folders that help you organize your bulbs. So let's click on Add New Bulb. And then we can continue to the design process. Here, if you already have a video on here, you can use that. Otherwise, you can upload a video. You can input one from a URL. I'm going to search for one on YouTube. So I'm going to click search YouTube or YouTube. And I'm going to search for a video on the Three Little Pigs. And I'm going to select the first one that's on there. And then click Done so that I'm able to add interactions. So what you're going to do now is you're going to click on play to play the video. And when you get to a part of the video where you want to add an interaction, you're going to click on Add an Interaction. So in this video, I want to add my first interaction at 36 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and start the
Once
video.
upon a time, there lived 3 piglets with their mother. This is the only and the best way to stay alive.
Okay, so I'm at 36 seconds, so I'm going to click on Add Interaction. Now, this gives me different options. I can make it a multiple choice question, a free response, a poll, a check all, fill in the blank, discussion. For me, I want to make this a free response. And it says, enter your question here. So I'm going to go ahead and type the question that I have. So my question is, explain what foreshadowing is. Do you think what the mother said is an example of foreshadowing? Why or why not? And when I have that, I can click on Done. So up here, it shows all my interactions. The first one's at 37 seconds. So as I continue to play the video and add other interactions, those interactions will show up below. As I got farther into my video, I was ready to add another interaction. So I'm at 1 minute and 56 seconds. If I add an interaction, again, it gives me the different options to do multiple choice, etc. If I'm looking for kind of deeper level thinking skills, I probably want to stay away from the multiple choice and do more discussion and free response. One nice feature too, I'll click on discussion this time. When you click on to ask your question, you also have the option to record an audio. So you can record the question. You can also insert images, and then you have a few other options with font and things like that. So my second question was, what type of wood do you think the second pig used to build his house? What type of wood do you think would be best used in building a home? So this is a discussion where the students can respond to that, and they can also see each other's responses as well. When you have all of your interactions on there, then you can click on Review. You're able to preview that. If you are finished, you can go ahead and save and exit. That bulb will now show up with any other bulbs that you have. If you're ready to assign that to your students, you can click on Actions, and then you have the ability to assign it. You can assign it to one of your Google Classrooms, or you can also get a link. And then once you have that link, you can go ahead and copy that, and you can distribute that to your students.